I don't know if you guys can tell, but there's something different that happened. If you guys see my previous videos, you see that I had something before that I'm actually missing now. What's going on, my beautiful people? Welcome back to another video. My name is Alex Garfe, and today I'm going to be taste testing the new and improved Daiya pizza. See right there, we got the new and improved recipe. I'm not really sure what's different about it, but it is gluten-free. And I believe it's soy-free too. And if you guys haven't tried these pizzas before, I mean, they're all right. They're very, very processed, as you can see from this hefty ingredient list right here. And there's a ton of sodium in them. I wasn't a huge fan of the original ones, but since it's a new and improved recipe, I definitely want to try it out and see how it is. And of course, let you guys know. So let's get right into the video. Got the pizza right here. And it's time for a little taste test. Oh, and before I do the taste test, I don't know if you guys can tell, but there's something different that happened. If you guys see my previous videos, you see that I had something before that I'm actually missing now. I'll give you about 2 seconds to guess it. 2, 1. There it is, folks. I did it. I shaved my head. As you can see, I am bald. But honestly, I like it. I don't think it looks bad. I might be rocking this for a while. We'll see. All right, now let's do this taste test. Got a nice little piece right here. Honestly, it tastes the same as before. I don't really taste any difference. So I'm gonna look on this box and see if there's actually anything different here. I was gonna say the cheese has a bit of a different taste. That's why I never liked Daiya, because I never liked the cheese. And it looks like it says our new pizza recipe features our premium cutting board collection shreds. Okay, our consumer preferred shreds melt and stretch just like dairy and add that extra deliciousness to our pizza. Taste the difference when we use our best ever tasting dairy-free cheese shreds. Well, it doesn't taste that different, but you guys try it and let me know what you guys think. I don't know, it tastes the same to me. It's not bad though. I want to know what your guys' thoughts are on the current situation right now that we are facing in the world. When do you guys think the country will be reopened? If you're on the US or if you're in Europe, you know, I'd love to hear what you guys think. Heard a lot of talk about the end of May and June. There's other articles saying that we're going to be on an 18-month lockdown. I doubt that's true, but I'm curious to know what you guys think, and comment down below where you guys live and what the situation is like. I would love to hear that. So I'm just about finished with the first slice, and yeah, it's pretty good. If I were to give it a rating right now, I'm saying about 7 out of 10, which is pretty good for a very highly processed pizza. As you guys can see, I got a band-aid right here. I burnt my hand on the cast iron pan. I was grabbing it, and I was grabbing the handle with a towel, but the towel slipped a little bit, and the cast iron pan got me pretty badly. And if you guys have never been burnt by a cast iron pan, it sucks. So if you guys want to make me feel better, I would appreciate if you smash that thumbs up button. Make my day a little bit better, because feeling this pain constantly just keeps throbbing. It hurts. All right, on to the next slice. You know what, honestly, so before, when I would get the Daiya pizzas, I would take a lot of the cheese off before I would cook it, because it was like a bunch of little shreds and you can just pick them off, because I didn't like the Daiya cheese. But I'm actually finding that this one is actually more palatable, and it's much better. I'm not finding that it's too repulsive or anything like that. So I'm actually enjoying this pizza. So if you guys enjoyed this video, please make sure to give it a thumbs up. Consider subscribing if you're not subscribed already. Leave a comment down below and let me know what you guys thought of the pizza. Are you going to be trying it? And also let me know what you think of the new hair. I would love to hear your guys' feedback. And as always, I will see you guys in the next video. Peace!